as you can see, we're sitting here kind of right at the corner of the old beer joint access, what they call the old beer joint access parking lot. And the water is backed all the way up to here. We're sitting on the last little bit of dry pavement. So it looks like we're going to have to go around to Crossett Harbor or somewhere on the other side of the river. In the meantime, I'm going to have to drive through this water to turn this boat around. So let's see how deep it gets. Not too bad. About 6 inches deep. Alright, I'm going to turn around and get over there and try to get my boat put in.